Ah! So scared. I'm dead. That's not fair! What the heck? It's not fair. It's this over here, and we have it. Excuse me, ma'am, Mister. Interesting. Surely, okay, yeah, we should. Yeah, actually, that's what you get. You know what? These people are doing things. They're not even, you know, they're like, I don't want to follow you. I feel like. Ah! Why did you come through there? That's cheating. It's cheating. What even? Alright. What? Wow! Dirty! They jammed the door because they couldn't beat us the normal way. They tried jamming the door. That's not fair. Won't open. Oh! Ah! Don't know where we. Yeah, this room, I feel like. Oh! What? I'm so gonna die. Gonna die. Well, that sucks. Oh my goodness, what? Why? Why do you always... Okay, let's try hiding. Uh-oh, I'm... Yeah. I failed you guys, I'm sorry. I feel like... Ah! What? No. Oh. Well... Oh no. Why did it find me? Place, but you know what? Well, yeah. Oh my goodness! Oh wow. Well, I did not know you consume stairs. Well, yeah, you're on your own, Takuro. Cause you know what, he's on his own. He's on his own. Yeah, well, goodbye. Ah! Ah! Alright, yeah, we're supposed to just leave him. It's fine, we can't read. Oh my goodness, what the? Oh my god. No, thank you. Oh, yeah, no. Yeah, this. Oh my god! Light it? Yes. Ah! Oh, what about... Ah! Excuse me. Rip. Before we It's very not nice, not nice, not nice, not nice. I shouldn't have gone here. Shouldn't have gone here. Okay, good. Fell from there. Alright, good! Excellent. And I think... Oh my god, what the absolute... What the What the? Oh my god! What? Then we can... Oh!